Hey everyone, it's Theresa. Welcome back to our rental fixer-upper. This is part 3, the finishing touches and the final reveal. Here are some before video and pictures that I haven't shown in the other 2 videos. And this is inside what we call the small bedroom, inside the closet. And this is in the back of the house in the little hallway between the kitchen and that new bedroom that we made. And here's my husband just jamming to some music that we're listening to. And if you remember from the other videos, that is the little opening that went from the small bedroom into this back room. That is where the wood-burning stove used to be. That is now a closet. And we covered all the ceiling tile with sheetrock. So that's what I'm showing you there. And that's my son-in-law. He's putting down some baseboards. And he's adding some baseboards there in the hallway as well. We started painting in the front of the house while all the construction was being done in the back. And for the paint, we use semi-gloss white paint for the ceiling, walls, and the trim. And with this being a rental, we just felt like it was the most economical, and then just to keep the paint a neutral color. For the paneling and the new drywall, we did put a primer on, and then for the paneling, we had to paint 2 extra coats after the primer. And here I am sanding down the existing exterior front door. It's in great shape. It was just chipped and old, and we decided that we wanted to use black paint on the front, so I'm just prepping it for the black paint. And look at that original hardware. It is beautiful, and it came out so clean, and it's amazing. I used this oil-based black paint, and then I went over, because it was a flat black, and I did put a clear sealant on it after I painted it. And here it is all painted. It's just out there drying, and it looks like a brand new door. It came out really, really well. And here's my mom cleaning all the air vents. We spray painted them, the Rust-Oleum oil rubbed bronze spray paint, and they look brand new. And the flooring that we used, we got it from Lowe's, and it's from Project Source. It's a wood plank laminate flooring in the color Woodfin Oak. It's 99 cents a square foot. So we're going to try it out and see how it holds up. It says it's got a 20-year warranty, so we'll see. And to recoup some of the money that we spent on the renovation, we are holding an estate sale. So that's my mom and sister. My sister absolutely loved this dishware that was my grandmother's. She ended up keeping it because she said it's just so beautiful. And then here comes my mom moving furniture with my son. I'll tell you, that lady, she is something else. This renovation was a complete family affair. We had such a good time doing it too. Way to go, Mom. My grandmother had a lot of canning jars, and Courtney and I are going to do some crafts with some of the items that we found from the house we're so excited about. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss any of those. And I don't know about your family, but my family cannot say no to the ice cream man. And here's my husband literally almost getting run over. Guys, slow down around an ice cream truck. He's asking me if I caught that on video. This is the side of the house, and there are a couple pine trees on the property. So I guess just over years and the shading, it caused this little bit of mold. So we got a power washer and cleaned it up. As you can see, it's coming right off, so I was pleasantly surprised. I thought I was going to have to use some type of cleaning product to put on it first, but the power of the water, it took it right off, so that was good. Power washing, if you've never done it, it's not hard. It's just really messy. My husband took over for me because I was doing some stuff in the house with my mom, and he did the front steps, the sidewalk, and then he ended up doing the back of the house as well. Okay, this is me after power washing. Not glamorous or a fun job, but the vinyl looks fantastic. And here's the family celebrating completing this renovation.
I just want to say, Mama and Daddy and Debbie, I hope y'all are proud of what we've done, and it's time to move forward.
And here's the after. I hope that you like our fixer-upper final reveal. And just to recap, we spent right under $3,000 for the renovations. We did recoup some of that at the estate sale, and it also took us 6 weeks to complete this project. That was after work and on the weekends. And we are happy to report that we now have a renter. These are the original hardwood floors, and we are just thrilled how they turned out. We just cleaned them up and put a liquid wax on them. And here is the small bedroom. And this is the room where the opening to the back of the house was, that wall right there. We closed that up, sheetrocked it. And here's the closet that was unfinished earlier in the video. My husband came in and built built-ins in it, and he also closed up the wall where the HVAC piping was. And here we are in the kitchen, and this is back in the back of the house where majority of the renovations happened. And there's those air vents with the new spray paint. They look brand new. The flooring is absolutely beautiful. It's showing a little darker than it is in real life. It's more of a gray brown, and the cabinets are not that orange in real life. So I guess it's just the lighting that's doing that. My husband put crown molding all up in this back area. This is the hallway that I showed in, I believe it was the first or second video, of where it was completely just gutted out. It was a hole in the ground there. So if you have not seen those videos, go check them out. It's amazing the transformation that we did in this house. And then here is the new third bedroom. The paneling turned out really good. It painted up really, really well. Like I said, we used a primer and then 2 coats of paint on it. And as you can see, the power washer made the brick look brand new. My husband also replaced that side door on the garage with a new one. And we had a friend of ours come and clean up the backyard, so he cleaned and trimmed all the hedges and stuff. Thank you so much for coming along and joining us in this journey, and I will list the other 2 videos in this series in the description box below. If you are not already subscribed to our channel, we would love for you to join our family here at Yellow Daisy, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until the next one, guys, bye-bye.